I'm Jen, and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing an intermediate across the floor combination. I'm doing a lot of across the floors lately, and you know, that's just what's in my head. So that's what we're doing. It's an intermediate combination. It is a great, what I call a toe twister, or like, what's the word? It's a complicated one that makes you use your brain, is what I'm trying to say. But I can't think of the word. But a toe twister, like a tongue twister, but for your feet. So it's just one of those that you gotta focus and know which part that you're on. So, you ready to learn it? Cool. So it starts with, each section starts with 4 flap heels, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. So the downbeat of the flap heel, the heel, that's your downbeat. And that's basically the rhythm for the whole thing. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5. Rhythm for the entire thing. So, flap heel, flap heel, flap heel, flap heel. That's how we start it. Just do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Then we have shuffle heel, shuffle step, shuffle heel, shuffle step. So already it's a little tricky, but you have shuffle heel, shuffle step, and switch your feet. Now shuffle heel, shuffle step, and switch your weight. So let's try adding that on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So one more time just to make sure we got that, and then I'll tell you the variations for each of the 4 sections. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7. Good. Then flap heel, flap heel, flap heel, flap heel. Again, that starts every section. The first variation is going to be shuffle heel, scuffle step. Shuffle heel, scuffle step. So, the first one was shuffle heel, shuffle step, shuffle heel, shuffle step. The second one is shuffle heel, scuffle step, shuffle heel, scuffle step. We're building to full scuffles, is really what we're doing. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. Shuffle heel, shuffle step, shuffle heel, shuffle step. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. Shuffle heel, scuffle step, shuffle heel, scuffle step. So scuffle, dig, brush, step. So let's try that part. Just that section. Flap heel, flap heel, flap heel, flap heel, or shuffle heel, scuffle step, shuffle heel, scuffle step. I can do it better than I can say it. I will say that. Just the second part. 5, 6, 7, 8. And over. 6, 7, 8. It's tricky, right? One more time. Hi, Bento. What? What's the matter? All right, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. And over. 6, 7, 8. Cool. Number 3. Opposite. Flap heel, flap heel, flap heel, flap heel. Scuffle heel, shuffle step, scuffle heel, shuffle step. So you're going scuffle heel, shuffle step, scuffle heel, shuffle step. Let's just try that third section. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. One more time, and then we'll go full scuffle. Bento. He's been doing this to me all day. I'm in the middle of filming, and he's like, hey, Mom, I want to go outside. So I have to open the door and interrupt my video. All right, let's do it. Third one. Scuffle, shuffle. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1. Awesome. Okay. Scuffle, scuffle. Cool? Ready? 5. It's from the flaps. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's just scuffle, heel, scuffle, step, scuffle, heel, scuffle, step. So we're doing shuffle, 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 scuffle, scuffle, shuffle, scuffle, scuffle. That's not complicated at all. What are you talking about? It's very complicated. So it's shuffle, heel, shuffle, step, shuffle, heel, shuffle, step is the first one. Second one, shuffle, heel, scuffle, step, shuffle, heel, scuffle, step. Third one, scuffle, heel, shuffle, step, scuffle, heel, shuffle, step. Fourth one, scuffle, heel, scuffle, step, scuffle, heel, scuffle, step. Okay, let's try it all the way through, and then we'll try it with music. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did we make it? All right, so let's try it with music, see what happens. It's not gonna be that bad, I promise. It just won't. So, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, and 8. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dropped out for a second and I was like, am I going too fast? Anybody else? All right, we'll start at a different spot in the song probably just to make sure that that doesn't happen again. Let's do it one more time and then we got it. Not bad, short, sweet, super complicated. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've made. It's just so much fun to do. I hope you had a really, really good time learning it. Like I said, short and sweet, but very complex and a fun one to bring to advanced students and intermediate students for sure. So yeah, I hope you had a fun time learning this. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. I've got technique exercises like this, and I've got step tutorials where you can just learn one step for the whole video. There's a playlist down below, I think. And there's choreography tutorials where you can do a combination to a popular or timeless song. And we've got vlogs, challenges, all kinds of stuff. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button because that's the best way of supporting this channel. And also hit the thumbs up because it tells YouTube people like tap dance. And who doesn't want to tell YouTube that? We all want to tell YouTube that. So subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.